Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Devin the Retro Gamer, and as you can see, we're doing a new Let's Play, and this time we're going to be doing Ratchet Deadlocked. I'm using one of my newer memory cards, so that's why there's no data if you were wondering, so we're just going to wait for it to create a save file, if it does. Thank you. Let's see, we'll do contestant. I don't want to go too hard, because, I want to get through this game easily. But I don't want it to be too easy to where it's like a pushover, I don't want either. If that makes any sense.
Gotcha. A dramatic conclusion to one of the most exciting episodes of Dreadzone I have ever seen. Captain Starshield, the #1 ranked gladiator, has been terminated by Ace Hardlight. Ace has now eliminated a record 13 contestants in the regular season.
Sorry about that, I was just moving it closer.
Incoming call from the mayor of Metropolis. The new mayor of Metropolis.
Oh, you mean, right. Just a sec. Greetings, Mayor. No. Well, long time no see. So Metropolis still in one piece, huh?
Greetings, Captain. I see you're taking good care of my old ship.
Well, she need a lot of tuning up, but I've kept her running.
Of course. Anyway, I'm afraid I bring bad news. As you know, Captain Starshield disappeared over a month ago. I've just been informed that he's been killed.
Oh my gosh. No.
Oh, what happened?
Apparently he was involved with some kind of illegal combat sport, something called dreadzone. We believe it was being run by this man, Gleeman Vox. He operates an underground media empire from within the Shadow Sector.
The Shadow Sector?
It's a lawless region of space on the fringe of the galaxy. Many other heroes have disappeared recently, and we fear that they might have met with the same fate. Ratchet, I just wanted to warn you before...
Unidentified craft approaching.
You the Lombax known as Ratchet.
I don't suppose you guys are here to fix the starboard engine, huh?
I don't think they are. I think they're here to imprison us and then rape us. I don't want to be raped by metallic robots. That's never the way I want to go. But it appears poor Ratchet, Clank, and Al might be in this situation. Progress is saving. Oh, shut up. I don't care. I know games frickin' save. I'm not stupid. You think I am dumb?
Yeah.
We've captured Subject 209, Mr. Vox.
Excellent. Bring him in.
Yes, sir. We caught 2 strays in the process. Should we terminate them?
Give him collars and see if you can get some work out of them first.
Literally every fucking time I record.
Hello? Hello in there? Can you hear me? You've been unconscious for hours. You're probably a little disoriented. How many fingers am I holding up? Whoops. Looks like we've got a feedback loop in the visual matrix processor. Hold still a second. How's that? Okay, now to activate your speech function.
Me out of this thing, you blarg-headed frack monkey! I can barely breathe and my tail feels like it's shoved right up my...
There seems to be a problem with the speech circuitry. I'll take a look at it later. Now hold still. Let's just see if I wire that teleportation circuitry. The new armor you're wearing is standard issue for new contestants.
Contestants?
We will explain later. If you do not complete the qualification course in the allotted time, we will
Sorry about that. But yeah.
Must calibrate your battlesuit targeting matrix.
Ugh.
First, look over at the holo target on your left.
So yeah, this is Ratchet Deadlocked.
Turn to face the holo target on the right. Then fire.
Sorry, I got like, I don't know. I have snot issues a lot. It's pretty bad.
Good. Now shoot the holo target above you.
Okay, cool, Clank. I love myself some tutorials.
Your movement circuit should be in working order
Yeah.
now. Try getting to the top of that ledge.
But yeah, this is Ratchet Deadlocked. I'm happy to finally be doing this game because I really like this game. It's fun.
Digital mini-map representation of the
Okay,
area.
so that's the map.
The mini-map will show you the
It's just like Dora the Explorer.
by reading 3
Clank,
holo targets
yeah,
in your
cool.
vicinity.
You know, I'm suddenly thinking that maybe I should have turned off all tutorials, you know. Maybe just a little bit, you know, just considering how much, like, in all these games, they just don't shut up. I love the games, but I don't like the beginning parts where, like, they give you, like, tutorials over tutorials. It's crazy.
Greetings, hero, and welcome to Dreadzone. Rest assured you are now far beyond the reach of hope. There will be no rescues, no pardons, no possibility of escape. You are now a contestant on the greatest television program that Galaxy has ever known. A celebrity gladiator, battling for the pleasure of a billion screaming fans across the Shadow Sector and beyond. Chances are you'll be dead by tomorrow. But those of you who play the game with skill and strategy will earn a chance to win your freedom. So, good luck, hero. We'll be watching you.
Jeez, that laugh. Yeah, that's Gleeman Vox. He's the main villain. Thank you, Clank.
At the top of your screen,
Where's the tutorial, like, that tells you, press this button to skip tutorials? I love that tutorial. You know, because it's actually useful, because it tells you how to stop these evil tutorial thingies. It's a crime against humanity, I'm sorry. Especially if you're somebody like me who's freaking played this game, 50 million times. I've played most of the Ratchet and Clank games, except for going mobile. I think I mentioned that in whatchamacallit, my LP teaser. I said, yeah, I played it before.
Note the deadlock collar securely fastened around your neck. This collar cannot be broken or removed. Should you stray into any restricted area, the collar will administer an extremely painful shock. Observe.
I hate this job.
Ooh. Electrocution. That's my favorite.
Worse, boring. His or her collar can be detonated at any time with the push of a button.
Wow. Look at that technology. He just blew his head off. Yeah. Dude, I like this guy. Thank you, Clank. I knew he was going to do it, but yeah. Gleeman Vox, I like that guy, he's got a good sense of humor, Don't lose your head over it, right? His head blew off. It's great. I'm not a sicko. Don't judge me.
Wow, this place is crazy. I've always wondered what it'd be like to be a professional gladiator. I mean, these guys have the life, the fame, the money, the babes.
Try not to forget that we are being held prisoner by a criminal organization. This is no time for fantasizing.
Is it just me or is the lip sync off slightly?
Welcome
Ow.
to your new living.
Jeez. Now I don't like you anymore.
Your luxury containment suite is equipped with everything you will need as a contestant on Dreadzone. Please make yourself comfortable. You'll most
I don't know. Something's like off with the camera. No.
likely be spending the rest of your life.
See, I don't know. I like it better this way because it's not like zoomed in on you. Alright, let's see.
Welcome to the Quasar 0115 Gladiator Ranking Station.
Okay, we got a lot of deceased and actives. That's pretty cool. Nothing wrong with that, I must say. I don't know. I'll ask you guys what you guys want. I'll do like a poll or something.
Hey, Ratchet. I have something to show you. Meet your new battle bots.
Call me Merc. This here's Green.
Hi, sir.
I got them off a former contestant who, won't be needing them anymore.
Don't worry, boss. You won't end up like that last guy.
I hope not. I still have nightmares about it.
Oh, suck it up, Green.
Once you win a few battles, we can afford to upgrade them. Just come and see me whenever you want to juice them up.
Yeah. So Al, yeah, okay, yeah. He's dancing to fucking Courtney Gears from Ratchet 3. It's an Easter egg, so shut the fuck up.
Me? Yeah, before I came here, I saw a little action.
You did, huh?
Hey, nice.
What kind of action?
Digs? I mean, what's all the hardware for?
They call this the mission control room. Each contestant is assigned a mission engineer to monitor their progress.
Right. So, what's-his-face figured he'd save a few bolts and make you do it.
Ahem.
All right, fresh meat. Enough chit-chat. You're next up in the Battle Dome after Mobius Man. And from the way he's fighting, it won't be much longer. Now move it.
Ratchet, I will assist you any way I can.
Thanks, Clank. These guys obviously don't.
So I know some people will be mad that I don't do like HD versions of games, and I haven't done it for any of the Ratchet and Clank trilogy games. I know people are gonna say, "Oh, the helmet glitch isn't too bad in the first 3. Not a big deal. Why don't you just play the HD versions?" Well, you guys are gonna be happy I'm doing the PS2 version of Ratchet Deadlocked. I'll just tell you that, because the PS3 version of Ratchet Deadlocked is shit. So we're not doing that. I mean, it's not terrible, but like compared to the PS2 version, it's definitely a de-evolution. They fucking broke it. I'm sorry.
We do hope you have a pleasant flight. Sit back, relax, and enjoy our in-flight entertainment, courtesy of the Vox Network.
What a jolly shark.
Something you should know. I'm not a real Tyrannoid.
Will you lose your lunch if you have to watch one more reality dating show? Is your blogs gone wild, videos scratched from overuse? Then it's time to turn that dial to something a little more dangerous. Time for some real action. It's time to blow it up! That's right, it's time for Dreadzone, the galaxy's #1 uncensored, unethical, and completely underground combat sport. Blasting straight at you, live from the Battle Dome. And now, on pay-per-view, watch as Ratchet and Clank take on Ace Hardlight and the Exterminators. They save the galaxy 3 times over, but how long can they survive in the zone? Catch it live, right here, on Vox.
Oh, and that is it for Mobius Man, ladies and gentlemen. That is the Eviscerator.
Yeah, that's the guy that plays Timmy's dad in The Fairly Odd Parents. Like, I found that out. I can't believe I didn't know that, because I've seen the show and the game. Hey, but you know what they say, the more you know.
Well, here he is. He's a little guy, isn't he? Well, don't bother getting up for drinks, folks. This guy won't last 2 rounds.
You see, if that was the PS3 version, you would have seen his eyes, like, creepily pop out. So, yeah, please thank me for not playing the PS3 version, because I'm telling you, it's really bad. You know what? I fucking hate children. Fucking can't. Actually, you know, that's not too wrong for me, because I don't like middle schoolers on my bus. They're fucking annoying. And I don't like candy either. I know people are gonna say I'm a sick monster. Like, who doesn't like candy that has like the shittiest taste ever? I never liked it. That's why I hated Halloween. Wow! I didn't know that. It's crazy. You know, it's not like I played this 50 million times, you know? No, not at all. It's crazy. Tell me all these fun facts. It's so fun-tabulous. But this is pretty cool. It's kind of like, I would think the games like the Ratchet and Clank 3, you know the arena we did, Annihilation Nation and Ratchet 3? Think of the obstacle courses in Annihilation Nation from Ratchet 3 and the arena. Basically, just think of it as Annihilation Nation if it was its own game, because it's got the arenas from there. Not the exact arenas, but like the gameplay, you know? And then it's also got the obstacle courses. Like, all the planets in this game remind me of the obstacle courses from Annihilation Nation. And I think that's probably what they were going for. It's pretty much Ratchet and Clank Arenas, the video game. It's a spin-off. Technically. I mean, I still consider it a main game, because, I mean, it kind of is, because it's still got a story, and it still mostly plays like a Ratchet and Clank game, but I mean, technically, the main consensus, you know, even though I think it's a main series game, is that it's a spin-off. And, I mean, yeah, technically it is. But look, it's even got a bolt crank. This is Ratchet and Clank, of course. Come on. They even brought back the grind rails that they took out of Ratchet 3. That's the only thing in Ratchet 3 that disappointed me. Everything else about Ratchet 3 was wonderful. Ratchet 3 was a sexy little game. Shut the fuck up, Clank. I'm gonna, like, shove oil up your butthole, okay? Like, you're becoming Bentley. You're becoming Bentley from my Sly 3 Let's Play. Thank you, Clank. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow. Whoa. He won't shut up. Oh my gosh. He just won't give up.
Let's keep this quick, Box. Oh, well, far be it from me to keep the superstar exterminator from his busy social schedule. I just have one question for you. Okay, shoot. Would you like to buy an Ace Hardlight video game? How about an Ace Hardlight lunchbox? Action figures, movie rights, collectible trading cards? Ace Hardlight is the perfectly manufactured celebrity, straight from the presses of the Gleeman Vox Media empire. So tell me, why is it that I can't give this stuff away? Well, don't answer that. Let me take a wild guess. It's because my fans can't stand Ace Hardlight! He's a pompous with the charisma of blogging nut-cheese! So, what are you saying, exactly? Zip it, Wonder Boy! The little Billies and Susies of the world are spending $1 trillion volts a day on worthless swag, and I'm completely cut out of the market! Either you stop selling this junk, or I'll find someone who will! Now get out of my sight!
Jeez. He's so fun-loving, you know? You just want to be his friend, you know? I want to get yelled at by a shark man with a surprisingly, intensely, you know, I don't know what you would call it, but a professional, you know, mustache, dude. It's a shark with a mustache. If that isn't intimidating, I don't know what is, honestly. Let's be real here. What? I probably should have known that. He said explode. I don't want to blow up. Can I not blow up, Clank? Heh. I said explosive charges in Ratchet, and now you're gonna blow up. Who's the sidekick now, bitch? Clank, you sick bastard. How dare you? How dare you set explosives in my ship?
It's a beautiful spring day on Catachrome 4, Juanita, as we kick off a brand new season of Dreadzone.
I don't like that smile.
That's right, Dallas. And we're lucky enough to have a bird's eye view of the action.
Even from up here, this season's Dreadzone battle courses look bigger and deadlier than ever.
It's a wonder contestants keep volunteering, isn't it?
That's a good one. Oh, yeah. The Vox construction team really outdid themselves in turning this once sacred robotic burial ground into a deadly Dreadzone battle course.
And look, here comes today's first contestant. Oh my, they're really scraping the bottom of the barrel to find these guys, aren't they? I hope you folks at home aren't too squeamish, because the next one looks like a bleeder.
Jeez. No wonder Ratchet's so edgy in this game. He's literally just slandering the poor boy. And by the way, sometimes their commentary in this game from Dallas and Juanita is really annoying. Like, it can be okay, but, like, sometimes they don't shut up. It's pretty bad. So, you know. That's okay, though. We already gotta deal with it with Clank and Bentley and Sly 3, so, I mean, I don't see a difference. Just extra voices telling me what to do and insulting me. Well, I like that one. Like, they're okay, like, the first time you hear them. They're just annoying when they repeat them, and sometimes they repeat them, but that's okay. Sometimes you just gotta deal with these weird repeaters. Okay. Well, we did it, I think. Yeah! This game also has, like, heavier rock music mixed with Ratchet and Clank soundtracks. Literally, Jack X did the same thing. So crazy. It's like they were inspired by each other.
As Team Darkstar continues toward the Catacomb Burial Dome, they'll need to cross what I like to call the chasm of endless falling and eventual dying. In the unlikely event that they survive, they'll take control of the big, bad, and burly walking armored tank called the Landstalker. Good luck, kids.
Thanks, Timmy's dad. Oh, really? Wow, you know, I didn't see that, Clank. Thanks. Like, really, thanks for nothing. Honestly, just... Gosh, just want to fucking teach that little robot a lesson. Put him, you know, out in the playground and then punch him. Yeah, I'll show him. Fucking robots, am I right? Jeez.
Team Darkstar is walking on top of a giant robot burial ground.
But that's okay. See, some of them are stupid too. I don't know.
I hope everybody's pee-pee because we're not drinking for commercial anytime soon.
Everybody's pee-pee? What about my pee-pee? Stop insulting my furry Lombax penis. It's not right. It's insultatious to the Lombax race, considering that we're literally completely endangered. It's not cool. Alrighty. As you can tell, I'm trying to kind of extend time a little bit. So, I'm gonna extend farther than 20 minutes. Probably not 30 minutes, but, you know, I'll try to make, you know, like 29 or something. Because I kind of extended it a bit in that one Sly 3 video, so I think we'll try this for, at least a couple of these videos. I'm not gonna guarantee for the whole Let's Play, or even most of the Let's Play. Or maybe even some of the Let's Play that I'll do this. Because I might go back to 19 or 20 minutes if I feel like that is needed. Did he die? Okay, he didn't. That's good. That's real good. Can have a dead robot on us. It's a waste of space, and it's a waste of my time. If you suck and you're a bad robot, you need to get out the way. Because Devin the Retro Gamer doesn't want you. Yeah. I don't know. This game isn't as good as the other ones, but it's cool. I like it. You know, I think, you know, that's why it would be more considered a spin-off, because it's also not as good as the originals. But I think it's good in its own way, you know. It might not be as good, but it's still awesome. Every Ratchet and Clank game is awesome, except for going mobile, which wasn't even really bad, but going mobile just as a regular game would be considered mediocre. Now, it would be considered mediocre as, say, a phone game. For a phone game, it's really good, but... Yeah, I Let's Played Ratchet and Clank Into the Nexus. I Let's Played Ratchet and Clank the original, and then I did Ratchet and Clank Going Commando, then Up Your Arsenal, and now I'm doing this. Yeah, I don't know how to upgrade weapons.
Darkstar's not out for a Sunday drive today, folks. They'll be blazing a trail right into the center of the Catacomb.
Hey, you know it. You don't fuck with the Slumbax. He's gonna go crazy. He's gonna murder your family. Hey, you don't fuck with Ratchet the Lombax. He fucks with you. Okay, here we go. So, we'll get through this one. This one's pretty easy. Yeah, I am. What about it, huh? There's all these people and insulting me. I just want to play my PlayStation 2, and I want to ride my Landstalker. I want to ride my Spider Tank. These people are insulting my intelligence. I don't like that. They will pay dearly. Fucking a-holes. You fucking white supremacists. I'm so fucking triggered. Okay. I'm done. I'm done. I can't make that sound serious. Alright. Well, speaking of which,